Alright, dude. We're back again. I got something for Christmas time. What do you think this is?
I came with you when you bought this.
I forgot. Okay, but with that being said, I'm starting to enjoy Christmas more and more. And as these guys get older and you kind of feel like, oh man, what happened to when they're young, right? For those who are parents, they understand. But with him, he's like, whatever. But with that being said, this is the item that we purchased from the prior. I will link the link below. I have a hard time pronouncing it. But with that being said, this is a lantern. It's a Christmas lantern. And it's almost like a snow globe type of deal. It comes with batteries, 3 double A's. Let's open up this guy. Look at that, Joss. You love it.
No, I don't.
Say you love it. Okay.
How much do you pay for this?
I think it was like $50. Let's put the battery in. Can we do that? It takes 3 double A's. Careful.
Yep.
I wonder does it play music? It'll be cool if we can play music.
I need help with that one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. And snack lunch on top. Did I feed you this morning?
No,
Maybe that's why.
I didn't eat it yet.
He has not eaten it. Okay, so 3 batteries. Put this guy in. And goes here. Yeah. And here. Cover's nothing special. I'm surprised it doesn't come with any type of plastic, like a screw. Usually it comes with some type of screwdriver in it. So I think they finally gave up on that. Okay. And there it is. It is all its glory. I think it's pretty. I think your mom's gonna love it.
Yeah.
I know your sister will love it.
Can't really see it. There's a yellowish light under the base.
Yeah, I don't know if it's going to show up on the camera or not, Justin, but it is a yellowish. So, the previous episode, we talked about the fluorescent garage type of lighting that we have gotten from Amazon. Surprisingly, this was not on Amazon. We went to buy it. And this was $49.95 USD. Because the label here reminds me. With that being said, I think it's pretty cool for the holidays. Justin said, no Christmas ornaments and no Christmas tree before Thanksgiving. So with that being said, this is still going to stay in the box just for a little bit longer while we get ready for the holidays. Till then, what do you rate this? It's pretty. 1 out of 10 again.
Well, what are we looking at? Functionality?
It's a good one. I think a little bit on the functionality and a little bit on the just as a whole. This is a plastic, right? It's plastic. Overall, this is plastic. It's not a bad deal. You want to go first today, or you want me to go first?
You go first.
I'm gonna give this an 8 because I think there's a little bit more they could have done to it. Maybe add some additional LEDs on the side to give it a little bit more of a glow. It's not too cheesy because it doesn't give you Christmas music. So, did I give it a numerical value yet? What was it again? I gave it an 8 because I'm being festive. So, I like it. I enjoy it. I thought it was pretty. So does my wife and my daughter when they saw it too. But they like it for sure because they approved of us getting it. What do you give it?
I would honestly give this a 6.
Scrooge! A 6. Why?
Okay, but this is all plastic. You paid $50 for this. I would at least expect some metal on the base or something like that.
Okay, that's fair. But that's his opinion. With that being said, Thanksgiving should be around the corner soon enough. This is going to be recorded. Thank goodness. Oh, I know it's the other part why I didn't give it a higher score. So, in a perfect world, this would also have timer. Auto
yeah.
going off. That would be cool, right?
Yeah.
If I can put in a timer where it comes on a certain time of day and it goes off by itself, that's a good idea, right?
Yeah.
Rather than just, oh, let me go turn it on, turn it off. So that being said, I think that to make this a better product, we would like to feel some metal around the unit to be a little bit more durable, although I don't think it would carry it around. But with that being said, a timer would be good. So with that being said, so as always, what would we like them to do?
Scroll down a little bit, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It's all free.
Yeah, it's just a little bit of your time, and then that way you want to, that way you can see some of these more goofy type of episodes that's happening here. I'll also put the link below, so where you can buy this for yourself. I think it's kind of neat.